Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best Charles Schwab fund for divide income and passive earning. And here's the breakdown. If you want steady income without picking individual stock, Charles Schwab has a few fund that makes earning divide end simple and reliable. A top choice is Schwab United States Divide Equity ETFs. It focuses on strong United States companies that pay consistent divide end, and it's known for low fee and dependable payouts, great for long-time passive income. Another solid option is the Schwab International Divide End Equity ETFs, which pay divide end from companies outside the United States. This helps you earn income while spreading risk globally. For more balanced approach, Schwab Monthly Income Fund makes divide end plus bond and income assets to deliver smoother cash flow. So this fund work well inside a regular brokerage account on an IRA if you want income to grow over time. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple investing tips, and comment which Schwab income fund you'd like to start with. And that's it.